Rồi, rồi, hello teacher.
Yes,
Hả?
hello Amy. Good evening.
Sao đi?
Is that
Không
you?
chiều đâu.
Đọc.
Oh, hello Amy.
Cầm
Good
lên kia.
evening. Can you hear me?
Cái bài. Yes.
Hello Amy. Good evening.
Hello teacher.
Yes. Wow, who was that? I really thought that that was you. So I was like, oh my God. Who's that, Amy?
I don't know.
Was it your cousin? Um, what did you do today, Amy?
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh, so where are you? Where are you?
I'm in a house.
Your your house, very good. So, who's with you in your house?
What?
Do you have visitors in your house? Yes or no? Do you have visitors there? Yes, Amy? Hello, Amy. Do you have
What?
visitors in your house?
Huh?
Okay, who is in your house?
I don't know.
Are you sure? Anyway, how are you? How are you, Amy? How are you, Amy?
I don't know.
Oh, can you hear me? Yes or no? Hello, Amy. Can you hear me?
What?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Oh, I cannot hear you, Amy.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, well, that's great. What's the weather in your place? What's the weather in your place?
Ủa mẹ đâu?
Yes, right now, of course. Is it rainy there?
Mẹ kia ngồi lên được. Em xuống đó. Wait. Wait for me.
Are you now ready, Amy? Hello, Amy. Hello, Amy.
Hello.
All right. Now, are you ready? I want you to pay attention. Are you ready?
Yeah,
Okay. So, what did you do?
I don't know.
All right. I don't want you to play a game, okay? Because it is our time for class. And we only have limited time because you joined the class very late. So I want you to pay attention. All right?
Yes,
Okay? Okay. So Amy, if you remember, what did we learn last Wednesday?
I know.
What did we learn last Wednesday?
Cái chỗ đó rồi. Animal.
What did we learn? Yes, we learned about animals. Okay, so what animals did you learn about?
I don't know.
All right, we learned about the gorilla, the elephant, the bird, the monkey, and the fish. Okay, so this time, Amy, I want you to look at the pictures here. Okay, so look at those pictures. What is that? I want you to look at this picture, Amy. What's this? What is that?
But
Oh, I cannot hear you, Amy. I want you to speak. Where is the bus?
I don't see.
There's no bus in here. There's no bus here. All right, I want you to listen and speak. What's this? Oh, hello, Amy. I cannot hear you. You have to speak. All right, what's this?
But
Hello, teacher.
Yes, hello, ma'am. Ma'am, Amy doesn't pay attention.
Anh nhìn làm sao cô nghe. Ngồi lên.
All right, Amy. Now I want you to look at the picture. Okay? What's this? It's a it's a bicycle. Okay, what about this one? What's that? I cannot hear you well, Amy. I don't know why. Can you hear me well?
Bơ.
No? Are you sure? I can hear you, but it's not stable, not clear. All right. Now look, what's this? It's a boat. Okay, how about this one?
Car.
It's a car. Nice. Okay, now look. What does it say? What does it say? It says
Cao.
go.
Cao.
Okay, now what's this?
Plane. Plane.
It's a plane. What about this one?
I don't know.
Roller skater. A
Go.
roller skates. Though these are roller skates. What about this? Chaga chaga choo choo. What's that?
Train. Train. Train.
A train. And look, what are those?
Con thấy có từ lá cọ trong này không? Con thấy chiếc cọ không?
What are
Animal.
those, Amy? Animals. All
Animal.
right. Now, this time, Amy, I want you to louder your voice. Look and read. Where is the cow?
The cow is in a car.
That's right. I want you to look at the cow. What is the cow doing? What's the cow doing?
Riding.
Of course, it is riding a car. All right. Now, look at the car. Is it stopping? Does the car stop? Look at the car. Is it stopping? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Why do you say so?
But I don't know copy.
Oh, when we say stopping, that means the car stop. It doesn't move. Look at the car. Is it moving? Is it running? Or stopping?
Movie. Movie. Movie.
It
Moving.
moves. Very good. So that means the car is not stopping because it's still moving. All right. Now look and read. Where is the pig? Where is the pig?
On the bike. On the bike.
That's right. Very good. Okay, what is this pig doing, Amy?
A fox.
What's the pig doing?
A fox.
Hello, Amy.
A fox. A fox. A fox.
What is the pig doing?
Riding.
All right. What is the pig riding?
Riding a bike.
That's right. Now I want you to look at that pig. How does the pig feel?
Liking.
Yes, the pig feels happy. Very good. All right. Now, how about in real life, Amy? Do you think that pigs can ride a bike? Yes or no?
No,
Còn tiếp bài số 3,
Why
số 4, số 5,
not?
số 6.
because the pig
Vì
is
không
an
có nghĩ sai
animal.
đó.
That's
Có nhanh ghê
right.
không?
They don't know how to ride. Very good. Now I want you to look at that animal. What is that?
A cow.
It's a goat. So where is the goat, Amy?
Water. Water.
I want you to look and read.
The goat is in the boat.
In the boat. Very good. All right. So look at the boat.
Tiếp đừng
We
hỏi
can
tôi giờ tự
actually
làm đi, tôi muốn
sail
kiểm
it.
tra đọc đi đọc lại bài
Where
bài.
can we
Mấy
sail
lần?
the boat, Amy? Can we sail it in the air, on land, in the water, or at
Is
home?
busy. Water.
In
Busy.
the water. Very
Water.
good. In the ocean. Okay, now I want you to look at the sea. What animal can you see in the sea?
Cow.
Try again. I want you to look at the water. What animal can you see in the water?
Cô đã nói là cô không biết, đừng hỏi cô. Tự đọc đề đi, nhanh lên.
Fish.
It's the fish. Very good. All right. Now, look at the goat. Is it catching some fish for food? Yes or no?
No.
Cô không biết đọc chừng
Why
nào làm xong
not?
tới câu số 7 rồi kiểm tra lại 2 lần.
Because I don't see it.
And of course,
Nhắc lại
goats
câu số
don't eat
3 lần.
fish. What do goats eat, Amy?
I don't know.
What? All right. Have you ever seen a goat in your place?
No.
No. All right. So actually, goats
Cô đã nói
eat
cô không trả lời là đừng
plants
hỏi.
or grass. They don't eat meat.
Nhanh.
They just eat grass and vegetables, Amy. All right. Now, this time, I want you to look and read. What animal can you see?
Dog.
Look, Amy, what animal can you see?
Dog. 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 Dog.
Oh, I cannot hear you well again, Amy. I want you to louder your voice. That's right, it is a dog. Now, where is the dog?
On the train. On the train.
That's right. Very good, Amy. Okay. Now look at the dog. Is it a train driver?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Okay. My friend, listen, my friend says that this train is only for people. Is that correct, Amy?
Yeah.
Okay, so of
Có vẻ là
course,
con
trains
đang
are
ngồi chơi nhá.
for people. But this
Nhanh
train,
lên.
you cannot see any person in here. So this train
Đọc đề to
can
lên.
also can also be used for other things, especially if we transport them from one place to another. All right? Now, look at this one. What are
Con đang ngồi chơi
the
á. Con đừng để cô gọi
differences?
ba con lên.
Oh, Amy, look at
Nhanh.
this train. This is the type of train for people. All right? And this is another train that is not for people. Now, I want you to look at this dog and the train. Okay, is this train for people, Amy? Oh, by the way, it's already time, Amy. So I'll see you on Monday next week. Goodbye, Amy.